Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can edit videos with Canva. So let's get started. First, before we start the editing process, there is one thing you should know about Canva. If you want to edit with free Canva account, this thing is storage. On free Canva account, the maximum video size that you can upload is 1 GB. For example, if you have a video, and that video is 2 GB in size, that means you will not be able to upload it to the Canva. And here is an example. This video is more than 1 GB. As you can see, when I try to upload it, I get this notification. It says the video must be less than 1 GB. In more details, the maximum file size limited on 1 GB. And here says the maximum media storage on free account is 5 GB. Which means you can upload a lot of videos that are less than 1 GB until you filled the 5 GB storage that is given you by Canva. So what do you have to do then after you filled the 5 GB? Simply, you will have to delete the old project in the files that you don't need. And here I will show you how to do that. After you open Canva, down here you see the project. Just delete them. And after you delete the project, go down and click right here on the trash. Then delete the files from the trash just like this. And if you want to restore something, just click restore and the project will go back to the main menu. So now let's start editing. After you open Canva, click on create project, then select video. Now go to upload and select the videos that you want to upload, then wait the files to get uploaded. And after we upload the videos to the Canva, to add the video to the timeline, just click on the video or drag to the timeline. But if there is a lot of videos, first you will have to create space in the timeline, then drag the videos into the empty place. After that, just resize the videos to match the frame. If you want to trim the video, click right here and drag from the side. And the same thing for the other clips. Click on the side and drag. And for splitting the videos, move the line to the place where you want to split, and then press S on the keyboard. Again, move the line and press S. Now we have this part. If you wanna delete it, just press delete on the keyboard. And also if you wanna go back, simply press Ctrl and Z on the keyboard. Keep pressing Ctrl and Z until you get back to where you want. And as I said, if you wanna add another clip to the timeline, first make space by clicking on this icon, or simply you can drag the file to the timeline, but place it above the plus icon. And if you want to change the place of the video clips on the timeline, just click, hold and drag until you see this purple line between the clips, then release it. And down from here you can zoom the playback. And by clicking on this small icon, you can zoom the timeline. Another click, then you will be able to zoom the playback. And if you want to control the audio, first select the clip, and then on the top right here click on audio, and from here you can control the volume or mute the clip. So if you want to increase the speed of this clip, simply click on it and then go to the edit and click. And from here you can change the speed of the video. You can make it slow or faster. And now if you want to add transition, go to the timeline. On this icon, as you can see, click on it. After you click on this icon, you will see a lot of transitions on the side. Just look at any transition you want, then simply click on it. When you click on transition, it will be added automatically. And down here you get some more customization feature. You can change the direction of the transition. You can make it coming from up or the side or down or any other direction you want. And for this one we get 4 colors. We can change the colors as well. We can select any color, yellow, green, red, in this one, and OK. And from here you can change the duration of the transition. You can make the transition last a little bit longer or reduce the duration. So that's how you can add the transition. And the next, if you want to add another video, and go to the uploads and then drag the video above this clip, just like this. Now let's resize this video and make it a little bit smaller, and then let's move it right here. As you can see, this video clip is too long. So If you wanna trim, click right here and drag from the side. And after finish, click done. And as you can see, we have two videos, which means we may have two audio clips on the background. If you wanna mute any video clips, first select the video you wanna control the audio. I will select this one for example, then click on audio. From here you can mute the clip or add some volume. And now we have two videos playing at the same time. And also there is another good feature. You can use some frames. Go to the element and click on frame. You can select any frame you want from here and then simply drag the video inside the frame. You can customize the video by clicking 2 times inside the frame, then you can resize it, zoom in or zoom out, and click done. Now let's go back and try something else. Okay, now let's use this one. I will do the same thing. I will drag the video inside the shape, and then I can customize it by clicking 2 times, then I can zoom and zoom out the clip, just like this, and click done. Okay, now we have this beautiful shape above the video. When you play, you will see both videos playing at the same time. And from here on the top, we have the transparency. You can change the transparency of any video you want from here. And if you want to edit the colors, select the video first. Then click right here on the top, click on edit. And from this menu, you can select any filter. After you select the filter, you can increase the depth of the filter by moving this tool. And if you want to adjust the colors, click right here on adjustment. You get warmth, brightness, contrast, and all other things. To edit, simply move these tools. So this is how you can add some filter and change the color. Now if you want to add some title or text, click on text from here and then you will see a lot of examples. Some are free and some are not. Scroll down until you find something you like, then click on it. And the text will be added automatically. After that, just type something you want. Also, you can customize and make your own style. For example, I will imitate this one. It's not free, but I will try to make something similar. Click on text and then type something. From here on the top, you can change the color of the text. Okay, the color will be cream. And okay. Now we have to add some stroke. Go to the effects. And from here we have a lot of options. You can use outline in shadows, in background or anything else. Anyways, I'm gonna use this one, outline. Okay, now change the color and make it a little bit green. And then okay, you can increase the thickness if you want. So after you add text and effects, you can change the style of the text. Go to the canvas sense and you will see a lot of different styles. I will select this one and okay. Now we need to add some animation. First select animate and then just move the arrow on the top of the effect. When you find what you need, click on it and scroll down for more customization. Now we have used a lot of stuff, but we need to try to add audio. Go to upload and click on audio. Drag to the timeline. There is a library sound on the Canva, but it's not free, so I will just use my audio. If you wanna trim the audio, just like trimming the video, click on the side and drag. And if you wanna change the volume, click right mouse and select the volume. Now you can customize the audio. So this is how you can edit videos on Canva. After you finish, click on share and then download. Set MP4 because we need video and then download. And now all you have to do is to wait the video to get export. The video editing on Canva is the same as editing images. There is no difference. Easy and simple. So that's how you can edit videos on Canva. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a good day and thank you for watching.